Ukraine has announced plans to buy 3 new AN-178 military transport aircraft to replace its aging fleet of AN-26 aircraft. Citing a report from Minister for Strategic Industries Oleg Urusky, AN reported that the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine has already prepared a draft contract with Antonov for the purchase of 3 AN-178 aircraft. I hope that we will continue to increase the number of aircraft ordered by our Ministry of Defense, Urusky said. Ukrainian officials confirmed it aims to replace its aging fleet of Soviet-era military transport aircraft after AN-26 crashed in the Kharkiv region. On September 25, 2020, an AN-26 of the Ukraine Air Force crashed in the Kharkiv region. The plane was carrying 20 cadets and 7 officers from Kharkiv Air Force University and was on a training flight. Only one person survived. AN-178 is a short-range medium airlift military transport aircraft designed by the Ukrainian Antonov company and based on the Antonov AN-158 and AN-148-200 regional jet.